YouTube family. I just thought I would come on here and show y'all what I'm doing today. I have been trying to organize under my kitchen sink, which is where I keep all of mine and my daughter's, if you can see, nail polish. I don't want to dump any out. And I'm trying to decide what to keep and what not to. So I was like, why not pop on YouTube and ask for help? So before I get started, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I will show love back as always. And yeah, so just help me decide. Do y'all ever have this problem where you're like, I don't know what to get rid of, but I want to keep it, but it's just cluttering and I would like to get a smaller box because we just don't really use it all. And like I said, this is stuff that is mine and my daughter's, so it's kind of combined. So I'll just start pulling out, I guess. Let's see. And comment down below if you have a favorite nail polish. Comment down below and tell me what it is, because, you know, clearly I need more. So here is some, these are by Broadway. It's some my mom bought. This is a blue color, and this is called, is there a name? Ooh, I like the name of this one. It's called Mr. Right Now. I guess I better leave them out so I don't mix them up. Well, anyway. This one is called Sour Apple, which is like green, you know, color. This is called Paradise Water. It's like a glittery, so pretty. That is such a pretty color. Alright, I'm trying to, hold on, I don't know the best way to do this. Let me see. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry, guys. This one is called Easter Annie, which is like a, this one has not been used hardly at all, if you can tell. So I don't know, but I mean, it's a pretty color, so I don't know, just let me know. Here is one by Sinful Colors. This one is called Cotton Candy. Pretty pink color. The next one is Pink Hottie by Milani. They're on Pink Hottie by Milani. You can't really tell. I don't want to get it on anything, but there we go. If you can see. Alright. And here is some, now all of these that I'm about to pull out, these are ones that was in a holiday set. I got a really good deal on them at CVS around Christmas. It was like $1.99 and you got $1 extra book back, so it was like an awesome deal. So I don't know the name of these because we threw the pack away, but I'll show you the colors. Here's like a pinky. This is, like I said, by Wet n Wild. Here's a pink top color. Trying to hope it shows. Here is a blue. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. We haven't used any of these yet at all. And let's see. Next is an orange. Here's a purple. But let me show y'all. I have this purple, and then I have, where is it? Yeah, I think this is the same color. See, this one came in the little pack. And then this one I bought at the Dollar Tree. This one's called Through the Grapevine. So if y'all can look at these, I think these may be the same color. What do y'all think? Y'all think that's the same color? I don't know. I don't know if it is or not. Here is another one by Milani. It is Sail Away. Pretty blue with glitter. Alright, let me finish the rest of those out of that pack. What do I keep? Can y'all tell me seriously? Red color, very pretty red. I don't know, it just seems to like accumulate, and then I get rid of some and then I buy more. Let's see. I don't really care for these at all, and these have never even been used. Like I said, they were out of that pack. We'll see. And I like this one though. Very pretty color. Alright. I hope this isn't boring y'all, but I just thought, I mean, come on, help me. These are all by Sinful Colors. This one is Orange Cream. Here is Sweet Tooth. My youngest daughter, she loves the color purple. So anything purple in here is probably been bought because of her. Or for her, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to pull all the simple colors. Here's another simple color. This one is called Forget Now. And it's like a pretty pink, hot pink with a lot of shimmer. This is a really good shimmer polish. Here is Gilded. This one to me doesn't show up very good. This is by Simple Colors. It doesn't show up very good on your nails. It takes a couple of coats. I'm not a fan of that one hardly at all. Then all my clear coats, let's just get those out of the way. You want to do that? Yeah, that's what I'll do. Where's all of them? I should have had this better organized, guys. You're probably like so irritated at the camera right now. You're probably like, stop. Well, anyway, let's see. I know there's one more clear coat. Oh well, here's the ones I got right now. Here's a shimmer clear coat by Wet n Wild. I bought all these at the Dollar Tree. I don't know the name of this one. And then here's just the Wet n Wild Shine Clear Lacquer. And then here's the LA Colors clear and base coat. Can you tell we've used pink with this one because it's got a tint to it? Alright, the next one is some e.l.f. polish. These came in a Christmas set, but I believe the names are on the bottom. They are. This one's called Gold Star. This was in their Christmas set like a year ago. Not this past Christmas, but the last Christmas. This one's called Champagne. Here is a pretty purple. It is Violet Velvet. Now this one does very good. This is a really good one. It's got chunks of glitter in it though because my daughters have used it. I just saw that. And here is one called Cherry Bomb. Pretty deep, deep red. The next one is called Liquid Metal. Again, these are all by e.l.f. I love silver nail polishes. I love it. That's what I used to wear like in the 90s and stuff, and it's stuck. I love silver nail polishes. This is Ready or Not. Pretty red. And some of these are dusty because I haven't been using forever. And then this one is called Chic Confetti. But I love this one because it's got all the Christmas like color, holiday color glitter. Like I feel like this is such a great holiday polish. There we go. Oh, it's showing up so good. Finally. Y'all probably haven't seen all those. But anyway, so here's some by OPI. I don't have a lot of OPI. There's my other clear polish because it's by OPI. This is just a clear coat by OPI. Here is Getting Naughty is what it's called. It's a light pink. And here is a purple Poly Wanna Lacquer. And it is a light lilac purple color. Come on. There we go. Alright, the next ones we have are by Insta-Dry by Sally Hansen. This one, I got these on clearance. This one is a pretty aqua color. It is called Jet Set Jade. And the next one is called Sonic Bloom. This shows up so well. Like that is such a good polish. I cannot even say any more about it. Yep. Here is a Wet n Wild Mega Last. This is called Strobe Light Stunner. Have you ever thought about how they just come up with these names? I'm like, who just sees a polish and is like, oh, I'm going to call that Strobe Light Stunner. I don't know. I think that's hilarious, some of the names they come up with. This is the only China Glaze nail polish I have. It is called Pink Voltage. I absolutely hate this polish. It takes a million coats. It's a pretty color, very pretty color. But I don't have time to sit and let them dry. I'm not that type of person. I'm not patient enough. Like I even heard, I saw on like Facebook or somewhere that said like you could spray your nails with Pam, like cooking spray, and it would dry them faster. That didn't work for me. It just made a huge mess. It was not fun. I promise. So don't try it. Or do try it if you want to. I don't know. Don't care. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Not going to tell you what to do. I love LA Colors mainly because they're really cheap and I don't like spending a lot of money on stuff. So this one is called Frill. Very pretty color. This one is called Incognito. I love this polish. Let me show y'all. This one I really, really love. Great color, great. Goes on one coat, top coat, you done. You're good. It's great. This is another one that's the same way. This is an older one, but it still works good when you shake it up. But it's just the bright pink. I think there's another one in here that's bright pink. Yeah, here it is. I buy them anytime I see them because I love this color at Dollar Tree. Here is an LA color. This is Seafoam. This does really well too. I love this. I've had great luck with all the LA colors I bought. This one's a hot pink. It's called Absolute. This one is a pretty color. It does take a little bit more love and care and time to get it, but so worth it though. So worth it. Here is an LA Colors. This is my younger daughter's. It's called Jewel Tone. It is a purple glitter. Let's see if I can find a good spot. Very, very pretty. This one is one that I've had forever and I've never even used, so it's probably one that needs to go. But tell me, seriously, tell me what y'all think. If you're like, no, to keep that color, tell me. Spoiled by Wet n Wild. It's called Bite Me. It's a dark, I don't know if y'all can see, like, there we go, the light's kind of hitting it. Reddy color. It's a great color, though. This is one of the older polishes, too, that I have. These are Pure Ice. I don't even know if they sell these anymore. Do y'all keep stuff just to keep them? This one, the pink one's called Splash. And then this one is a yellow, and it's called Pure Ice. So great. Yeah, I told you all right. Pure Ice. So here is some more LA colors. This is my older daughter's. This is called Craze. There we go. It is a pretty, you know, this one takes some time. You kind of got to dig them all out, you know, and then place them right, but it's worth it. It's so cute. These are some of the older Wet n Wild. LA colors. I don't think they have the names on them. They don't. But here is a red, dark red color. Very pretty. Here is a pink. What's like shimmery, metallic-y looking pink. This does really well too. Let's see. Here is Elf. This is from that Christmas palette. I just missed one. This one's called Green Machine. I like this color. I really do. Here is the next one. It is a Milani. It's called Fuchsia Fierce. This is my older daughter's. I like names that rhyme like that. I'm like, Fuchsia Fierce. I don't know. They're nicer to me when they rhyme. This is a Clinique polish that came. I think it was in a gift set. I can't find the name of it. We've never used it. And it looks kind of chunky at this point. So, this one's an old polish. Nina. That's probably old as all get out and needs to go. Here is one I really like. It's not going to look worth anything because it's not been used in a while. But this is Sally Hansen. This is Mint Sorbet. And I really like this. This is a great spring color. Very pretty spring color. Here's another one by the same Sally Hansen. This one is Coral Reef. I like this color as well, but it doesn't apply as smoothly as I'd like. Here is a Milani shimmer. This is my older daughter's. It's hot pink. But it's not hot pink. Not to me anyway. And then here is the last one. This is my older daughter's. This is something her Nana bought her. This is called Blue Gala. And it is, I don't know, you can read. Because I don't know how to say this. Bernice. I don't know. It's a glittery blue. This is a pain. I can't get rid of this one because she loves it. But you literally have to sit there. It doesn't show off blue, so it's just like a cleary blue color. But then you have to like dig the little things out to... Hate it. Wouldn't recommend it. Don't even know where they sell it. Don't like it. But anyway, that's my nail polish collection. I don't know. I hope I didn't bore y'all. But tell me what to keep, please. I mean, seriously be like, oh, that's a pretty color, or that's not a pretty color, because I'm so indecisive. I need so much help, honestly. And if you like this video, please subscribe. If you don't like this video, come on, subscribe. And I hope to see y'all later. I hope you're doing very, very well. Comment down below. Let me know if you have a channel. And until next time, bye everyone.